Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to my YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Sahil Kamal and this is probably my first fashion video. So don't forget to click that subscribe button down below to be part of my YouTube journey. Also hit that bell icon down below to get notifications because I've got a lot of new amazing videos coming up just for you guys. The clothing pieces that I'll mention in this video, some of them I'll have them linked down in the description below so that you can check it out. And all these clothes in the description, their links, these are based on my experiences of shopping from websites, apps and various brands. So yeah, feel free to check it out. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. My username is sahilkamal.kamal and right now I am kind of having a renovation on my Insta page, but you can always interact with me on that social media platform. So in today's video, we'll be talking about the wardrobe essentials every guy should own. The clothing pieces, should I start from top to bottom or bottom to top? Top to bottom, bottom to top. To bottom, bottom to top. Oh, I'm confused, but I'll choose top to bottom. Okay. So the first one we have is the solid crewneck t-shirts. A black and a white t-shirt is the best option because they can go with absolutely everything. Second, we have white button down shirts. A white t-shirt is a versatile one because it can be used in different combinations. Third, we have the sweatshirts, or nowadays people are calling it hoodies. A sweatshirt is a must have because it gives kind of a streetwear look and it looks cool. Fourth, we have got the leather jackets. Leather jacket obviously looks dope and it will never go out of style. The fifth is my favorite, a watch. A watch is always a wonderful option because this accessory will add additional detail to your overall outfit. Sixth, a good pair of dark jeans. A dark jeans is versatile and always looks stylish. 7 comes the tailored fit chinos, or you can call it trousers. To spice things up, a well-tailored fit trouser will add additional colors and good vibe to your outfit. 8th, obviously for the summers, shorts. Shorts are always a must-have because they are easy to pull off and looks awesome. The 9th one, and I guess you cannot ignore it, a good pair of white sneakers. When it comes to the fashion game, the white sneakers have been ruling the streets because they look beautiful and can go with absolutely anything. Last but not the least, the 10th thing is a formal suit. Now we all have been in the situation when we need to get formally dressed for various occasions, and for that, formal suit rules the world. So guys, that was all for this video, and if you found this video amazing or informative, please don't forget to like this video, or you can call it thumbs up, and again please subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.